I'm just doing what I gotta do. Flyer than the rest of them, still got my Nike boots. Flyer than the rest of them, flyer than the rest of them, flyer than the rest of them, still got my Nike boots.
Yeah, yeah, nah. You heard the previous, here go the remix. You got me here, and Lil Weezy here. We got the keys to the city, DMV here. It's the return of the ambassador. Heard you Bam assassin, now I'm laughing cause I'm passing ya. Yeah, and Bama's rap, but they lack the passion for it. They lack the vision. Young Falara now can Labrador 'em. I reel 'em in, go with domes on. See, I'm on my Scott Storch, staying clear of Timberlands. Yeah, a beat clubber, no thug, but the streets love 'em. YBM and EMP, it's like we brothers. And Peace Harlem in the Dipset phenomena. DC gotcha, we got 'em like you got 'em on. Yeah, my fan base piling on. Yeah, my haters need Tylenol. And by the way, I seen that iTunes saying I think it's more racist than ratings. Anyways, give it up the capital, the nation, with weapons similar to dry grapes or babies and raisins. Bang. Did that sound tough enough? Nah. You heard the previous, here go the remix. You got me here, and Lil Weezy here. We got the keys to the city. You ready for one? Yeah. Holla at 'em.
If it's bullshit, you want bullshit, shot shell. Yeah, I'ma kick it off, fucking go heads and tails. Red Lobster every day, shrimp heads and tails. And bad bitches give me head and tail. And bad bitches give me head and tail. See, I'm ahead, but you stay the snail. I move, they see the back of my nights. Got to the end of the tunnel, and I was the light. Always strapped, so I was alright. Naked women rub my back and ask me how was my night. I say, just stay out my business. When we fell for G say, just stay out my kidneys. I say, don't say it if Simon didn't. America idolize a but they better come if I'm me and you are you too. But if I'm 3, I be